That's a nice dog. I need that one day. Like I was saying, this video is gonna be more about the state of society right now. I feel like it's horrible, and it's horrible because you know, both men and women are not in their proper place. We're doing a lot of bullshit that we're not supposed to be doing. In reality, the only reason why we got to this point is because the older people, our ancestors and shit like that, they did the right things. You feel me? So we out here bullshitting. I'm in the market for a wife. I'm trying to get married. Yeah, I literally cannot focus while this thing is moving, but I'm in the market for a wife. I'm trying to get married, and I'm only trying to do that because, you know, it's a law. It's a law of adultery. You're not supposed to be doing things, you know, the things that we all do these days. You're not supposed to be doing those things outside of marriage. You're supposed to do a right reserved for you and your partners. Well, it doesn't specify. I don't completely agree with the amount of partners that people are supposed to get. I feel like that's up for interpretation. But you're supposed to have partners that you keep for life. You know what I'm saying? It's provided that everything goes good and life is good to you. You know, it's and that's also depending on how much provision you got. Like, if you can provide for them, cool, fantastic. If you cannot provide for them, don't have it. Not a good idea. There's also supposed to be a system for, like, people that cannot provide for them. You know what I'm saying? It's called Ducati. But we ain't gonna talk about that today. I was having a conversation with my cousin a couple of days ago because I told him I'm trying to get married. And he started giving me a whole bunch of objections regarding my, you know, regarding me getting married. And I was just disproving everything. He said, what happens if the marriage doesn't work out? I was like, what happens if you're a girlfriend and you don't work out? Y'all break up, right? If my marriage doesn't work out, I'll make it work because I'm the man. And if it still doesn't work out, I guess we're divorcing. If that's the only option. At the absolute worst, you know what I'm saying? Somebody loses their life. And even then, the solution is clear. You move on to the next person after the appointed period, and there's an appointed period. But my point is, having a girlfriend these days, technically that's a sin, and there's no benefits to you or her. But yeah, boy. What are they doing? Woo! But it's open, but it's stunted. Okay. My Lord! Man, it's hard! I gotta get into a girl too! Wow! Moto vlogging right now is such a good thing. I think I lost track of my conversation. I'm not even gonna keep going. There's no benefit to you not having a wife. You know, so it's only drawbacks. Think about it. You got a good brain on your head, you should know what I'm talking. If you don't, you're cooked. That's gotta be hot on, bro. so much swag, man. But yeah, some of the drawbacks for not having a, well, not marrying your girlfriend. You should probably marry your girlfriend if you have one right now, or find one of her that's a little more faithful because she's probably cheating on you. That's probably why you haven't married her. Yeah, you know, I want to say find a good woman that's accountable by God. To me, a good girlfriend, a good woman, is one that's not gonna question you. She's not gonna question your actions because she doesn't do anything to feel any type of guilt. You know, guilt puts pressure on people. She will believe that because she's doing this, you're doing it too. And if you're doing it, well, when she does it, she will do this. So then since you're doing that and you're reacting like this or you're acting like that, then automatically that means you're doing it too. That doesn't make sense, but that's how they think. Find a man that, or find a woman that's accountable by God, meaning she's religious and she's scared of God, scared to death. If she's not scared of God to death, yeah, leave that one. She's gonna break your soul. Yeah, she will literally break your soul. Your soul's not gonna work after that. I'm not thinking that. My Lord! Thank you for that beautiful twisty road right there. Wow! I don't know how I put my mic in my helmet last time, but it's definitely bothering my ear this time. It's not the same thing. I should probably sit down somewhere and reposition the mic. But yeah, any way you think of it, it is more beneficial for you to find a wife and not have to commit adultery, not go to hell as a result. And literally, you having a girl that you don't have to chase around and doing all that, it's gonna change your chemistry as a man. Yeah, like you automatically feel the change. You're gonna be like, oh, something inside you is gonna change and be like, I'm not on chase mode no more. I'm not hunting for one. I'm not on chase mode no more. I'm not hunting for one. I have one. She's sitting at home, and now you only have one job to provide and protect her and things like that. And if that's the only thing you gotta do, that's less things for you to worry about, and you do a better job with that thing, meaning you're getting rich. Like it triples your drive to like go outside and work, and that shit just starts to triple like 3. So yeah. Woo! Oh, that was water. I could have died. Wow, it just neutraled itself. That's beautiful. I don't got a neutral shit there. Wow, fantastic. I need to buy one of those for my father. As soon as I get enough money to do it, I'll do it. Should just put a stop you right there. But yeah, it's gonna be the end of this. Oh my god. Oh, thanks. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. It's probably not gonna be a very good one. Probably gonna be cutting a lot just for it to be bike sound and me cruising around and shit. But I really gotta have that conversation with these. Really gotta have that conversation.